I'd love to tell you the story of my commute. This is me leaving the apartment, like I do most days at 7:15. I guess the first thing you should know is that I'm operationally and efficiency-minded. I have a grid of podcasts I listen to based on my interests and what I want to learn about. Tuesdays I start with Radiolab. My commute is an hour and 45 minutes. You might be thinking, why does someone who likes efficiency put up with such a long commute? First off, I love my wife Heather, my friends, and where I live. Heather teaches at a school not too far away. Second, we have community here. Heather went to Cal, I taught in Oakland, and we have fantastic friends at our church. And I love my job. I get to work on things that I care about in a fun and nurturing environment. And besides, working at the D school is only supposed to be a year. It's actually been 2. I drove for the first year and got fed up with traffic and the money I poured into gas. I'd much rather put that money towards a house. Being home is important to both Heather and me. Quality time is a huge need. One of the intents with taking the train was to get some work done during that time so I have more time with Heather at night. It works out better some weeks than others. One other thing I should mention about my commute is that I like to find cues in both efficiency and meaning. I pass the same guy in a 3-piece suit every time. Where we intersect paths tells me how I'm doing in terms of on time or not. I like the cues of the Memorial Church as I walk into work. It's something to be at this place, surrounded by such fabulous people. Thanks for letting me share.